Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your payment method on eBay. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ebay.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official eBay website. If you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the sign in button at the top left corner, which you can click on and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken back to your homepage, you will be able to browse through various different products that you can buy on eBay website. Once you find a product that you are interested in, you can add the item to your cart and add multiple items or click on the buy it now option. Once you are within the checkout screen, you will be asked to choose your payment method right away. You can click on the available payment methods from PayPal, Venmo, as well as your cards and Google Pay. Just choose from whichever option you wish to use and you can proceed forward with entering your credentials. Once you enter your credentials and confirm your billing address, you can click on the confirm and pay option, and once your payment has been verified, your checkout process will be completed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your payment method on eBay. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.